What exactly is SEO in 2025? Is it dead? Has AI completely taken over? Or is it still the secret to getting free traffic online? Today I'll be taking you through what SEO is, how it's changed, and what you need to focus on if you're just starting out this year. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. In simple terms, it's how you make your content easier to find on platforms like Google, YouTube, and even Pinterest. Think of it like this: 1 billion searches happen every single day. SEO is the skill that helps you stand out in front of the right people at the right time. Now, traditionally, SEO was pretty straightforward. You find a keyword, you write an article around it, build a few backlinks, and boom, you're on the first page of Google. It worked so well that entire businesses were built on this straightforward playbook. But here's the catch. In 2025, that playbook doesn't work anymore. Why? AI has changed everything. Tools can now pop out SEO optimized content in minutes that floods the internet with average content. Google's response? They are cracking down hard. Whole websites have been wiped out overnight. But don't panic, SEO isn't dead. In fact, Google handles over 5 trillion searches in a year. The fundamentals haven't gone anywhere. People still search with keywords. Google still crawls, indexes, and understands your content. Backlinks still help you rank. The difference now is this: it's not about writing for search engines anymore. It's about creating genuinely useful content for people. Here's how I'd approach SEO in 2025. First thing is, I'll learn the basics. What are keywords? How does Google find pages? And why links matter. The second thing is to focus on intent. Don't just ask, how do I rank? Ask, what does the searcher actually want? And the third thing is to use AI as a helper, not a replacement. Let it speed up research or drafts or even analysis, but always bring your own insight. For example, take the search how to start your YouTube channel. A beginner probably wants simple steps, maybe gear recommendations or niche ideas. If you answer those questions better than anyone else, whether through a guide, checklist, or tutorial, you're not just ranking, you're building trust, and that's just how SEO pays off. And here's something you actually want to remember. SEO isn't just Google. The same skills applies to YouTube searches, Amazon, TikTok, Reddit, or anywhere people actually type in questions to get answers. Once you understand the fundamentals, you can adapt them anywhere. So no, SEO isn't dead, it's evolving. If you're starting out today, master the basics, embrace AI as your assistant, and above all, create content that actually is worth finding. That's how you win. And if you found this very helpful, I'll be sharing beginner-friendly videos on SEO, AI, and how to build traffic step by step. So stick around.